let the giggles begin. And welcome to Giggle Stars Galaxy, where today's comedy creation is titled 11 Hilarious One-Liners That Will Leave You Gasping for Air. Get ready, number 1. I told my daughter she should get a job as a bus driver. She's already very driven. Yup, steering in the right direction, surely. This is going great, you're rocking it like a pro. Number 2, before I criticize someone, I walk a mile in their shoes. That way, when I criticize them, I'm a mile away and I have their shoes. Haha, brilliant timing. Ever wonder if they notice you're wearing their favorite pair? Amazing progress so far. Let's keep the momentum. Number 3, I tried to catch some fog, but I missed. Haha, that's brilliant timing. Nature sure has its quirks, doesn't it? This is good material, folks. Comedy gold incoming. Number 4, I told my wife she should embrace her mistakes. She gave me a hug. Ha ha. That's a keeper. Now, that's what I call spouse appreciation at its finest. This journey is worth every laugh. Number 5, the world champion tongue twister got arrested. They gave him a tough sentence. Talk about verbal repercussions. We've got this, number 6. I used to be a baker because I needed dough. Ah, that's a good one. The bread world must be missed. Hee. Keeping it going, humor never takes a break. Number 7, want to hear a construction joke? Sorry, it's a little underdeveloped. Woohoo, building anticipation. Number 8, I once had a job as a professional cricket player, but I got caught out too much. Oh, come on, you owe me an apology for that. Let's give it a few final pushes, we're almost done. Number 9, I once fell in love with an archer, but in the end it just wasn't the right bow. Ah, love's a tricky target sometimes. Ha! Just a little further, almost done. Number 10, I asked the librarian if the library had books on paranoia. She whispered, they're right behind you. Whoa, now that's chilling and clever. The finish line is here, last one, number 11. I tried to teach my dog to dance, but it was kind of rough. Oh, that's priceless. That's a wrap. Stay tuned for more laughs, jokes, and fun next time.
Today's video on comedy entertainment, brought to you by the Giggle Stars Galaxy channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, unless you're allergic to fun. Thanks for watching, and if you laughed, that's your cue to hit that button.